This woman in Pakistan wanted to be a man. She decided to do what only men do, which is drive a taxi. It may look easy, but for women like her, this is mission impossible, and I want to tell you the story. Who is she? Why did she want to be a man? And just how many men were offended by this? In Pakistan, I found Rehana.
हाय नास डेली, मैं रेहाना कौसर हूँ। मैं लाहौर में से एक औरत हूँ जो मैं रक्षा चलाती हूँ।
Years ago, when Rehana was a little girl, all she ever wanted was to be a man, because she thought men were strong, powerful, and independent. So she played with the boys and tried to act like them too. But then she grew up, and her family decided it was time for her to be a woman, to make kids and be a housewife.
मैंने घरेलू औरत बन के पूरी कोशिश की अपनी घर को संभालने की।
Until one day she got into an accident that would change her life.
तो बाइक वाले ने आके मुझे मारा, मेरी टांग टूट गई और जिंदगी मेरी पहली की तरह ना रही।
Because of her accident, Rehana's husband decided to leave her forever. She found herself alone, taking care of 3 children. That's when she decided to control her destiny and go into the man's world.
मैंने कहा या तो मैंने खुदकुशी कर लेनी है और या तो फिर कुछ करना है। मैंने रिक्शा लेने लगी।
So she bought a rickshaw and became one of the first women in her country to drive it for a living. And that's how she started to make money. She paid off her house rent, her rickshaw installment, and lived independently.
किस्त भी उनको देती रही, वो भी बहुत खुश थे। कहते हैं ऐसे तो मर्द भी नहीं आके सही टाइम पे देते किस्तें।
And in the process, she inspired many other women to stand on their own 2 feet without just being a housewife.
कैसे लगता है आपको? मुश्किल है? मैंने कहा मुश्किल तो बहुत है, लेकिन जो नियत कर लो किसी काम में तो वो मुश्किल नहीं है।
Rehana didn't listen to society and she didn't listen to traditions. In reality, she didn't even want to be a man. She just wanted women to have the same opportunities that men have. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Naas Daily. Naas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.